Hello, how to solve a power 2 equals 16, solving for the value of a that satisfies this equation. So, let's study it this way. We can say let x equals a power 2, meaning this a to the power of 2, I'm going to replace it with x. The whole of this equation becomes a to the power of x equals 16. Next step is to apply natural log. Have natural log of a power x equals natural log of 16. Now, if you have natural log of a power b, this equals b times natural log of a. Applying this right here, have x times natural log of a equals natural log of 16. So next step is to express 16 as 4 power 2. So I have x times natural log of a equals natural log of this is 4 power 2, which is 16. We apply the same identity again. I have x times natural log of a equals this is 2 times natural log of 4 because this 2 comes behind here. So right now we have x variable here, and the variable we have here is a. Let's ensure these two variables are the same. So we go back to this equation here. X equals a power 2. I can isolate a from here. That means if I multiply this exponent by 1 over 2, that means I have x power 1 over 2 equals a power 2, and this is raised to the power 1 over 2. 2 eliminates 2, that means I have x power 1 over 2 equals a. I'm taking that up here from there, and I'm replacing it here. X times natural log of, instead of writing a here, a equals x power 1 over 2. Remember? Right here. So, I have x power 1 over 2 equals 2 times natural log of 4. So, based on this particular identity once more, natural log of a power b equals b times natural log of a. The half come behind is we have x times 1 over 2 times natural log of x equals 2 times natural log 4. If you multiply this, you have x over 2 times natural log of x equals 2 times natural log of 4. Then we can decide to multiply this by 2 and multiply this by 2. So to multiply this, we have 2x over 2 times natural log of x equals to multiply this, we have 4 times natural log of 4. This eliminates this, I have x times natural log of x equals 4 times natural log of 4. And from here, we equate them, that means our x equals 4. So let's solve for a using this particular equation here. We have a equals x power 1 over 2. And our x is 4, so we have a equals x power 1 over 2. A equals 4 power 1 over 2. So that means a equals 4 power 1 over 2 is the same thing as having square root of 4. That means a equals plus or minus 2. Have you seen that? That's one way of solving that. So we can also solve it in another way, method 2. So we have a power 2 equals 16. I can decide to raise this to the power of 2 because there's 2 here. I have a power 2. Raised to the power of 2 equals 16 power 2. What I can do again is to take this as x and this is my y. So if you have a power x to the power of y. This equals a power y to the power of x. If 2 is my y, a power 2 is my x. So let's switch them using this. So I'll simply have the a remains, this y here, and my y is 2. The x goes outside. We have a power 2 equals 16 power 2. Have you seen that? We have transformed it right here. 16 is a perfect square, which is 4 power 2 of a power 2 power a power 2 equals, this is 4 power 2 raised to the power of 2. And remember, a power x to the power of y equals a power x times y. 2 times this 4, so I have a power 2 equals 4 power 4. This and this are the same. This and this are the same, so you can have a power 2 equals 4. To solve for a, you take the square root of the part of this. You have a equals plus or minus 2. So in both methods, we have a equals positive or negative 2. Also, we have positive or negative 2. We can decide to verify. Or a equals 2 and a equals negative 2. This is a power 2 equals 16. If you consider when a equals 2, you have 2 power 2 equals 16. This is 4. So you have 2 power 4 equals 16. And 2 power 4 is 16, which equals 16. When a equals negative 2 as well, you have a power 2 equals 16. And a equals negative 2. You have negative 2 power negative 2 power 2 is it equals 16. Now negative 2 power 2 is 4 because negative to the power of an even number is positive. Negative 2 power 2 is 4, so it's just like writing negative 2 power 4 equals 16, and negative to the power of an even number is positive, so negative power 4 is positive. This is the same thing as writing 2 power 4, and this is 16. And 2 power 4 is 16, which equals 16. So the both values of a, which are negative and positive 2, have satisfied the equation. So that is it. Thank you and goodbye.